ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും. 10ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കേരള റീഡർ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിലെ ആദ്യ യൂണിറ്റായ ഗ്ലിംസസ് ഓഫ് ഗ്രീൻ എന്ന പാഠത്തിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്റർ അഡ്വഞ്ചേഴ്സ് ഇൻ എ ബനിയൻ ട്രീ, റസ്കിൻ ബോണ്ട് എഴുതിയ അഡ്വഞ്ചേഴ്സ് ഇൻ എ ബനിയൻ ട്രീ എന്ന പാഠത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ നിങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുന്നത്. ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസുമെല്ലാം മറിച്ച് എക്സാമിന് വരാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള ചില മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസുമാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ. എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ അവസാനം വരെയും കാണുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. Where was the house situated? Answer: India, town of Dahra. Who was the boy's first friend from the nature? Squirrel. What was the cobra searching for? The mongoose. Who were fighting each other? Cobra and mongoose. Who won the battle? Mongoose won the battle. How did the myna congratulate the mongoose? The myna congratulated the mongoose by making a shrill cry. Pick out a word that means to twist the body. Rich. From where did the grandfather get the white rat? From bazaar. How did the white rat become familiar with grey squirrel? The boy would take the white rat with him to the banyan tree. How did the boy come to know that the squirrel was building a nest? When the boy who changed his dress, he found straw and grass falling out. Activity: prepare a short profile of Ruskin Bond using the hints given below. Birth: May 19, 1934, Kasauli, India. Education: Bishop Cotton School, Shimla. Famous are author and poet. Works: first novel, The Room on the Road. First children's book, The Angry River. Short story collection, Our Trees Still Grow in Dahra. Awards: John Llewellyn Prize Prize in 1957, Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992, Padma Shri in 1999, Lifetime Achievement Award 2017. Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an eminent contemporary Indian writer of British descent. He was born on May 19, 1934 at Kasauli in India. He was educated at Bishop Cotton School, Shimla. He is a famous writer and poet. He wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, at the age of 17. He got John Llewellyn Prize Prize in 1957. His first book was The Angry River in 1992. He received the Sahitya Akademi Award for his short story collection, Our Trees Still Grow in Dahra. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 for his contribution to children's literature. He was also honored with Lifetime Achievement Award in 2017. Imagine that the English club of your school has decided to conduct a special assembly in connection with the World Environmental Day. Prepare a speech on the importance of conservation of nature. Respected teachers and my dear friends, a warm good morning to one and all. It's my pleasure to stand here in front of you on this auspicious occasion. Although I am not expert in public speaking, I would to share my views about nature. Can we imagine a life without nature? We can't. We live, we breathe and die in nature. Our Mother Earth keeps us alive by showering her love and care. But how mercilessly we destroy the same. Unscientific construction of buildings, plastic pollution and global warming are increasing day by day. I think it's high time that we should unite to find a solution to protect it. We have inherited this beautiful nature from our ancestors, and it is our duty to protect it for the future generation. Air, water, vegetarian, forest, everything need to be kept and handed over to them. Wise use of natural resources and reduced use of plastic can help us a lot of achieving our goal, which is a common plea. Let's take an oath to keep our life in harmony with nature. Let me conclude my words. Thank you. Prepare a character sketch of grandfather in the story Adventures in a Banyan Tree. Grandfather. The grandfather in the story is the eldest member of the family. He is 65 and he is active and vigorous. He loves his grandson very much. He is happy at the victory of mongoose in the single combat because it would keep the snakes away. He is a man of wisdom. He has never tried to tame the mongoose because he knows that a wild mongoose is more useful than a domesticated one. When he sees the white baby squirrel, he is astonished and tells that the white rat must be the father. He is also a lover of nature like the boy in the story.